Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how to download MyFitnessPal mode application and how to get access to the premium features of this application. As you can see, you have access to all these premium features. In as much you stay with me and you allow me to show you how to get access to this application. As you can see, you have all the access to download this application. Now, what you want to do is click on the link in the description below and you get access to this page, right? Click on the link in the description below and get access to this page. After that, you want to click on the download button, right? Click on the download button. All right, now after clicking on the download button, you want to download two applications to get access to this application, to the premium feature of My Fitness app. So after downloading two applications, you'll be able to get access to the premium features of My Fitness app application, right? Now, we are downloading our application now. Click on continue. Google Play Store, right? All right. Now you want to install this application. We want to install the application. So after installing the application, we are going to run the app for at least 30 seconds. We are going to run the application for at least 30 seconds, right? Now we have to run this application for at least 30 seconds for you to be qualified to get access to the application, right? So let's wait a little bit and let it reach 30 seconds. All right, so let's wait a little bit. All right, let's wait a little bit. All right, okay, I think now we are done. 30 seconds is completed already. Click back again. All right, click back again. Now it will automatically reload itself and we have access to this application. All right, now we can download our app. Now you can use either of the two buttons to download the app, either the blue download button or the one up there. So after completing those tasks and verifying that you are a human, you have access to download this application. Now, if there is any application you want me to make video about, do it to comment below and tell me the application you want me to make video about, and I'm going to do it, I promise you. See you in the next video.